Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best scrapbook for girls is probably one of the most creative and fun ways for girls to express themselves, preserve precious memories, and create personalized keepsakes. Whether it's for birthdays, holidays, school projects, or just for the sheer joy of crafting, a scrapbook offers endless possibilities for self-expression and memory making, allowing girls to document their lives and celebrate their unique personalities through photos, mementos, and creative embellishments. Number 5. Just My Style Ultimate Scrapbook. It's the perfect way to preserve your precious memories. This scrapbook lets you creatively display your keepsakes and cherished moments. It comes with tons of fun embellishments. You'll find stickers, gems, and more to personalize every page. It encourages self-expression. Make each page a unique storytelling experience with photos, drawings, and words. It's a fantastic way to tell your story. Use it to showcase your images and words, making arts and crafts enjoyable. It has everything you need to get started. The kit includes a scrapbook, stickers, pens, scissors, glue, and more. It's easy to use and incredibly rewarding. Take pride in decorating and completing your very own unique craft. What we like? It has many pages and tons of accessories to make your scrapbook unique. If you are looking for a complete kit to start scrapbooking, you should consider this one. It's perfect for unleashing your creativity and making personalized keepsakes. What people say. It comes with so many fun stickers and sheets to use. Her favorite part is the scissors. Has a lot of assorted stickers and is very suitable for first-time scrapbooking. Perfect size with just right amount of stuff. Number 4. Hapinest DIY Journal Set. It's a complete journaling kit, perfect for young creators. Everything you need to start creating your own unique journal is included. Designed for ages 8 to 14, it's ideal for fostering self-expression and creativity. Watch them personalize their own scrapbook pages. Looking for a fun and functional gift? This makes a great birthday present or just a thoughtful surprise. It's a creative outlet that enhances journaling and scrapbooking skills. This 63-piece kit includes a journal, decorative frames, stickers, scrapbook pages, and even a tassel charm. It's carefully packaged so nothing is missing. It arrives in attractive packaging, making it a delightful gift to give and receive. It's the perfect present for teens and girls. What we like? This kit has everything you need to create a beautiful journal. If you're looking for a comprehensive and well-packaged kit, this is the one for you. It's ideal for young creators who want to express themselves through journaling and scrapbooking. What people say. Things to decorate pages is good. This is a great journal kit. My 9-year-old loves all the fun accessories included. She has been scrapbooking with pictures of family and friends. 10-year-old child was extremely excited about all the neat accessories included with this. Number 3. DOODLE HOG Scrapbook Kit. It's time to get creative with our amazing scrapbook kit. It's packed with everything you need to make stunning memories. This journal has 40 thick pages, perfect for all your photos and journaling. There's plenty of room to let your imagination run wild. We've included washi tape, stickers, envelopes, and decorative papers, everything you need to personalize it. It's the perfect creative outlet for girls aged 8 to 12. It inspires unique projects and endless fun. With its customizable cover and thick pages, it's easy to personalize this journal to reflect your unique style. Create a one-of-a-kind keepsake. This kit is made with high-quality materials, ensuring that your creations will last. It's stylish and fun to use. What we like? It comes with trendy supplies and a customizable cover. If you like to personalize your projects and want high-quality materials, this is a great choice. It's perfect for girls who love to create stylish and unique journals. What people say. It includes the book and lots of stickers and other things to put inside of the book. She used her Fuji Mini to take pictures and was able to easily arrange them within the book. It came with everything she needed to decorate and make the pages her own design. The pages are thick enough not to rip easily and it's a good size. She liked the accessories that came with it, pages, envelopes, tape, stickers. Number 2. ABERLLS DIY Journal Kit. It has everything you need to start creating: a journal, stickers, cutouts, and more. Let's get creative. It's perfect for expressing yourself. Record your thoughts, draw pictures, and create fun doodles. Decorate it with stickers and cutouts. Transform plain pages into beautiful layouts. Personalize it with paper frames. It's an ideal gift for birthdays or holidays. It's a great way to encourage self-expression and creativity. The paper is thick and won't bleed through. The colors are vibrant and the materials are durable. Everything is high quality. It's easy to use and fun for all ages. Unleash your imagination and make it your own. What we like. This kit boasts a large number of high-quality supplies. If you value variety and durability, this is the best option. It's perfect for girls who love to express themselves through journaling and scrapbooking and want a long-lasting journal. What people say. Lots of good content included. It provides hours of fun, can keep adding to the journal like a scrapbook. Comes with stickers, pictures to color, fun paper clips to add in mementos, gel pens, and much more. This one was filled with interesting options and styles for tweens. Number 1. ABERLLS DIY Scrapbook. It's time to get crafting. This scrapbook kit has everything you need to create a unique keepsake. With 453 pieces, it's packed with stickers, gems, paper, glue, ribbons, and more to make your memories shine. Make a beautiful book for yourself or a best friend. It's the perfect way to preserve your favorite moments. The 48-page book provides plenty of space for photos, drawings, and mementos. Let your imagination run wild. It includes a book, stickers, shapes, gems, stencils, scissors, paper, glue, ribbons, and more. Everything is included for hours of fun. This kit is perfect for children aged 6 and up. It's a great way to develop creativity and fine motor skills. What we like. With a massive amount of supplies, it's perfect for creating a collaborative keepsake. If you're looking to create a scrapbook with a friend, this is the ideal choice. It's perfect for making memories with your best friend. What people say. This is my 8-year-old daughter's third ABERLLS scrapbook. Not only does it come with many pages to fill, but included are stickers, ribbons, washi tape, scissors, glue, and cardboard decorations that you glue on. My kids made scrapbooks for their besties that moved away with this kit and they came out great. It has all you need to make something really special without having to buy individual items. My daughter loved this kit. It was easy for an 11-year-old to put together independently. She loved the colors, patterns, and embellishments. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.